Here's 3 spreadsheet hacks I don't think you knew because they're not inside of your spreadsheet. They're actually in your URL. You know how inside of your drive you can click new and go to Google Sheets here and create a new spreadsheet? You don't have to actually go through all of that. In the URL bar, just type in sheet.new and it will generate a new untitled spreadsheet in your drive. And if you have multiple Google Sheet accounts work and stuff, you can add sheet new /2 will give you a new sheet in your second signed in account. If you have a third, you can do sheet new /3 and create an untitled spreadsheet in your third account that's signed in. However many accounts you have signed in, you can have as many numbers as you want, but sheet new will create a new spreadsheet in the first account that's signed in. Say you want to share a sheet with someone, they have to get the link, they have to open the link, they have to open the drive, go to file, make a copy, but you don't have to go through all of that. At the very end of the URL, there's this edit #GID. You can delete all of that and add copy. So it has /copy at the end. Hit enter. What you'll see is this button, make a copy. And you can send this URL to someone and they'll see this. All they have to do is click make a copy to get it into their Google Drive. If you would prefer, instead of making a copy, you actually get a PDF output. They go to the sheet, they open it up, they go to file, download, PDF, right? And there's some options here that they can export, but you can actually send them a link and it will immediately download as a PDF. So go up to your URL bar and we're going to type /export ?format equals PDF. Take that URL. You can even hit enter and see what they get. It will immediately download as a PDF for them. They don't have to open it at all. You have some more options. Go to bettersheets.co/PDF. You have a bunch of options you can add to that URL so that that URL is much more useful to the person you're sending it to. And it's very specifically set up for them to download the PDF exactly as you wish. Maybe you have landscape. Maybe you do want to show grid lines or hide grid lines. Maybe you want the title in the PDF. Maybe you want a different sheet size. You can make all the selections and paste in your URL here of the Google Sheet and get URL. It will create the URL with all of these settings in it already. That's bettersheets.co/PDF.